In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com. We'll build a simple, scalable structure so every project stays organized and easy for your team to navigate. Start on your Monday.com home. From the left sidebar, open Workspaces. Think of a workspace as your top-level container. Choose the workspace where these projects should live so everything is in one place for your team. Now, look for the small plus icon next to the workspace name. Click it and select Folder. Folders help you group everything that belongs to a single project. Give the folder a clear descriptive name, include the client or initiative, and if helpful, a date or sprint tag. You'll want a separate folder for each project you're managing. Click the plus icon again, choose Folder, and name the second project folder the same way. Consistent naming keeps the left panel tidy and makes searching faster. With the folders ready, it's time to add the actual workboards inside them. Right-click the first project folder, hover over Create in Folder, and choose Board. This ensures the board is created inside that specific folder so your structure stays clean. When the new board window opens, type a board name that matches the project folder. Next, choose the privacy level that fits your audience. Use a main board if everyone in the workspace should see it, or switch to a private board if access should be limited to selected teammates. If you regularly collaborate with external stakeholders, a shareable board can be helpful, depending on your plan and access requirements. You'll be asked what you're managing on this board. Select Projects. This applies a useful set of defaults tailored for project tracking, giving you statuses and fields that make it easier to get started. You can always fine-tune those settings later as your workflow evolves. Finally, click Create Board. Your project board is now nested inside the correct folder within your workspace. To set up the next project, repeat the same process. Right-click the second project folder, hover over Create in Folder, choose Board, name it consistently, set the privacy level, select Projects, and create the board. Before you wrap up, double-check your left navigation. You should see your workspace, separate folders for each project, and within each folder, a dedicated project board. This structure makes it simple to scale. Each new project gets its own folder and board, and it keeps permissions, naming, and navigation consistent across your team. That's all you need to manage multiple projects in Monday.com with clarity and control.